In 1995, the FBI caught the world's most wanted hacker. He never used sophisticated equipment, just a phone. Kevin Mitnick could break into any company by simply calling them. His method was brilliant. He'd study company charts, learn employee names, then call pretending to be an executive or IT worker. "Hi, this is Bob from headquarters. I need your password for an urgent system update." It worked every time. Mitnick infiltrated Nokia, IBM, and Sun Microsystems this way. Employees handed over access codes without question. But his boldest move was hacking NORAD, the military defense system protecting America. He became the first cyber criminal on the FBI's most wanted list. For years, he stayed hidden using cloned phones and fake identities. The FBI finally tracked him down through a digital manhunt led by security expert Tsutomu Shimomura. When they arrested Mitnick, he wasn't surrounded by high-tech computers. He was just sitting at a regular desk with a simple phone, the weapon that fooled the world's biggest corporations.